Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Disney Plus black screen problem. So first of all, open your browser, and method 1 to fix this problem is we need to disable any kind of VPN from our browser. So as you can see, this is my VPN and right now it's connected. So I'm gonna turning off my VPN from here, and now check the problem is fixed or not. And our second solution is we need to turn off ad blocker extension. So click on this three dot, click on more tools, click on extensions, and if you're using ad blocker, you must have to turn off ad blocker. And if you are using multiple ad blockers, do the same things, disable all your ad blockers, and now check the problem is fixed or not. And our third solution is we need to clear our browser cache data and cookies. So for that, click on this three dot, click on settings, click on privacy and security, click on clear browsing data, and check these three boxes from here, and time range, select all time, click on clear data, and remember, it will delete all data from your browser. You will need to re-log in into your account here, and after doing this process, check the problem is fixed or not. And our last solution is we need to disable our browser hardware acceleration. So click on this three dot, click on settings, click on this search box and type here hardware, and here you'll find this hardware acceleration option. So all you have to do is just disable this option from here. And now hope your problem will fix. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.